Hi everyone, today I would like to discuss about regression techniques, how to perform regression on two different algorithms, and how to split training data, testing data, and evaluate different results on a regression data set. For this problem we will choose a regression data set which is already available in the machine learning workspace. The data is called automobile price data. This is the ML Studio interface. If you want to see the data set, and if you can right click and click on visualize the data, you can see the results of visualization. You can see the data set has 205 rows and 26 columns, and if you click on each column you can see here the statistical distribution or statistical insights for each of the column. Price is our target label and the rest of all the columns were our input labels. We'll perform a regression techniques on this data. Before moving any further, I knew this data set has missing values. Since I have worked on this data set, I knew that there are some missing values. We will clean the missing values using clean missing data information. Just connect it, and there are different imputation techniques. For this problem I will use custom imputation techniques, which means wherever I see a missing values, just replace them with 0. That's it. I knew this is not a good imputation technique, but the object of the problem is not about R-square value or performance metrics. I just want to show you how to do a regression technique in ML Studio. And after this we want to remove a column because I feel that column does not provide much information. So I will clean that column. I will remove the column in the particular column in the data set. Here you can see there are different columns. Okay, I haven't run this code. I will remove a column. So select columns in the data set. I want to start with all the columns and then exclude a column called number of doors. I don't want a number of doors in my model, so begin with all the columns and then remove this column. When you run particular cell from run, you can see this module has run, and if you can right click and see the results. Earlier there were number of doors, but this was removed, and now you can see the missing. But there you will find no missing values in all the columns because we have done missing value imputation as well. So we are good to go. We can split the data set to training and testing, just like in sklearn we have a module called train test split. We have a module called split data. We can split the data here, and we can mention the percentage of split. We want 70% in the training and 30% in testing. 0.7 indicates the first output is 70% and second output is 30%. So we got train test split as well. Now we want to train a model. For training a model you need to take train model from train, and then we want to perform two different trainings. We will use a linear regression, since it's a regression data set, and we also use Poisson regression. So we will connect the training data to this. We'll connect the training data to other modeling technique. We will connect the modeling technique we want to use. We will connect the modeling technique we want to use. So you can see, okay, you can see there are errors because we didn't select what is the target label here. We'll launch column selector and we will select the price as my target label, and then we'll click OK. So we'll do the same here. We'll select price as target label and then we'll click OK. Now we have made connections. So if we run here, from here it will perform training, but we are interested in evaluation as well, how this model is performing on test data. So for this model we will see how the model is performing on training data as well. So we will just drag and drop for score models. Score model is used to predict on the given data set. Score model performs prediction, just like a model.predict. Score model will perform prediction. It will take two inputs. One is the model which we have trained, and the other is the data set which we want to predict. This is the same thing. We want to use this model, and this time we want to predict predictions on the test data. Okay, and then here we want to use this model and we wanna make predictions on the training data. We wanna use this model and we wanna make predictions on the test data. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to train two different models, and then I wanna make predictions on the training data. I'll just note it down. Predictions on training data. You can drop down. Predictions on test data. Same we are doing for other algorithm technique as well. For linear regression we are training and predicting. For Poisson regression also we are training and predicting. So yes, now we are good to go. We wanna compare different results, how well this model is performing. So we have the module called evaluate. So using evaluation we can just connect these evaluation at a time. We can compare two results as well. We can compare training results of these two models and test data set result of these two models, just to compare how these two different models are performing side by side. That's why it will take two inputs. So we have, this is that train metrics, training data metrics. You can drop down testing data metrics for two models used. We have used two models, so we wanna see how this model performs on the testing data, two different models. So now we have everything. I will show what we have done from the beginning. We have taken a data set and we have done missing value imputation, and then we have selected few columns where we have removed the column which we don't want in the select columns in the dataset module, and then we have done train split. We have used two different techniques. One is linear regression, one is Poisson regression. Using these two regression techniques we have trained the model on the training data set, and we have made predictions on the training data as well as test data, and at the end we are comparing two different results: evaluation model on the training data set and evaluation model on the test data set. How well these two models are performing. If you click run everything, it will run. We can see that the model has finished running. Everything is run. All you can see all the green ticks, and if I want to visualize the results, you can right click on evaluation model and we can visualize the result. This compares two different results for linear regression and Poisson regression, how well this model is performing, what are the different regression performance metrics. We can see coefficient of determination and root mean square error for all both, and how the error is distributed. So the same thing we have this goes for this testing data set. You can visualize the result, and yes, we can see the two different techniques, how well they are performing. That's it.